Samsung just dropped a bomb in the mid-range segment. And no, I'm not talking about another rebranded phone with recycled specs. The Galaxy F36 5G is here, and it's packing a 50MP OIS camera, a massive 5000 mAh battery, and Samsung's own Exynos 1380 chip, all under Rs 20,000. Wait, did Samsung just give us flagship vibes at a budget price? Let's find out. First up, the display. Samsung's given us a super AMOLED panel here. That means deep blacks, punchy colors, and a viewing experience that's perfect for binge watching or gaming. And yes, it's way better than the LCD panels we often see in this price range. Under the hood, we've got the Exynos 1380 processor. Now, I know Exynos chips have had mixed reactions in the past, but this one's actually solid. It's built for multitasking, casual gaming, and smooth day-to-day performance. Plus, it's great to see Samsung using its own silicon in a budget device. It shows confidence. Now let's talk cameras. The headline feature is the 50-megapixel sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization. That's a big deal. OIS helps reduce blur in photos and keeps your videos steady, even if your hands aren't. Combine that with Samsung's AI image processing, and you're looking at some seriously good shots, especially in low light. Software-wise, the Galaxy F36 runs on Android 15 out of the box, and it's not just stock Android. Samsung's added AI tools to make your experience smarter. Think better battery management, smarter app suggestions, and improved camera enhancements. It's like having a mini assistant built into your phone. Design-wise, it's sleek, modern, and definitely doesn't scream budget. The build feels premium, and the overall aesthetic is clean, perfect for those who want style without spending a fortune. And the battery? A generous 5000 mAh cell means you're good to go for a full day. Maybe even more depending on your usage. Whether you're scrolling, streaming, or snapping pics, this phone won't leave you hanging. Now let's talk price. Under Rs $20,000. That's aggressive. Samsung's clearly aiming to shake up the mid-range market, and with specs like these, they might just pull it off. The Galaxy F36 goes on sale starting July 29th, and you'll find it across major online and offline platforms. So if you're planning to upgrade, this one's worth keeping an eye on. If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, share this video with your tech-loving friends, and subscribe to ToPhoneGyan for more honest, in-depth reviews and updates. We're just getting started with the latest tech drops, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.